Bouncing. Visa. Day 13. We're traveling back and revisiting the tune Visa. Bird on a blues. Doesn't get much better than that. If you want to interchange blues and bebop, you gotta check this out. You gotta transcribe some of this solo because Bird does it seamlessly. It's unbelievable. Check this out. Right? Flat 7. All right. Oh, little altissimo upper range workout again. Here we go. In these 9 bars, it's like a master class of how to use bebop and blues together perfectly. Oh, right there. I don't even know I can tongue that fast. Tell you down. Yeah, Bird's got me going crazy today. Bebop, blues, bebop, back and forth. It's unbelievable. Must transcribe for anyone looking to get more blues language and bebop language all intermingled. Part of the reason why I'm doing this is that's one of my goals. So who better to learn from than Bird? All right, enjoy, have fun. I'll see you tomorrow. Later.